How to set weather wallpaper on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your iPhone. Once you're here, scroll down to find the Wallpaper option and tap on it. On the Wallpaper screen, tap on the Add New Wallpaper button to see available options. Scroll down to the Weather and Astronomy section and select the desired wallpaper. A preview of the new lock screen will appear. Here, tap on Add in the top right corner to proceed. As you can see, a pop-up will appear. Tap on Set as Wallpaper Pair to apply it to both the lock screen and home screen. You can go back to your home screen to see the change. The new wallpaper is now set successfully. Following these steps, you can easily set the weather wallpaper on an iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.